Welcome to how to earn money from Facebook and Instagram tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money from Facebook by selling online courses. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So how does that work? So as you see, here's Joe Robinson, a guitar teacher who has a course. So in Facebook, when there's a lot of people engaging with your posts, so it will be shared more to other new people that can see his course and buy it. So the best thing about making a course is that you make it one time, and after that all you need to do is promoting for your course to sell it. But it has a downside that there's a lot of courses that sell the same thing online. As you see, here's a lot of guitar courses in Udemy, and there's a lot of other websites that sell the same thing. So you need to build your own audience. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.